Hello, in this video, let us see some of the multiple choice questions and answers. The first question is, the 8086 instruction CWD is used to, four options have been given. CWD means convert the word to double word. We have that option here, so this is correct. The second question is, if AX is equal to F000H, after the execution of the instruction CBW, the contents of AX would be, some options have been given. CBW means convert byte to word. See, in AH, we have F0. In AL, we have 00. That means all the 8 bits in AL are 0, and in AH you have 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. When you convert the byte to word, the byte in AL is sign extended and put in AH. Here sign is positive, so this is 0, so sign is positive. So AH will be extended with this sign, that is AH will become as 0. All the 8 bits will be zeros. And AL will have 0, 0, 0. AL is not affected. So after executing CBW, the AX will contain 0, 0, 0H. Let us see the next question. The number of software interrupts present in 8086 are 256. There are 256 software interrupts. Type 4 interrupt is executed when there is an overflow, so it is interrupt on overflow. The fifth question is, after the execution of interrupt 20 instruction, four options have been given. When you execute interrupt 20, the code segment value will be pushed on the stack and instruction pointer will also be pushed on the stack. So it will require 4 bytes. So the stack pointer will be decremented by 4 and these 4 bytes will be pushed on the stack. So this is the correct answer. Let us see the sixth question. Escape instruction of 8086 is used to pass the instruction from 8086 to coprocessor. Other options are not correct, so this is the correct answer. Let us see the seventh question. Log prefix is used in multiprocessor configuration. So this is correct. When the 8086 processor executes log instruction, it will log the buses so other processors cannot access it. Let us see the eighth question. The 8086 jump instruction, jump if greater, is equivalent to jump if not less than or equal. So this is correct.